how to sync Goodnotes between iPad and Mac. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can sync Goodnotes between iPad and Mac. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Goodnotes application on your iPad or iPhone and make sure you are signed in. Over here, tap on Next and sign in with your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. After that, once you have signed in, you will see an option to enable iCloud Sync. Then make sure to turn this on and tap on Continue. From here, select your preferences such as student or university and tap on Next. Then scroll down and tap on Submit. Over here, to double check the sync, tap on the gear icon. After that, go to Cloud and Backup and make sure Cloud Sync is turned on. Then, when you log into Goodnotes on your Mac, your notes will sync automatically. So that's how you can sync Goodnotes between iPad and Mac. That's all for this video.